soy Lucía. Bienvenido a nuestra transmisión de vivo. Este es mi colegio, Robin.
Hello, this is Robin from Vsmile. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our live stream today.
Sí, hoy hay tres partes. Primero, presentar nuestra fresadora húmedo y seco juntos. Puede fresar metal. Y segundo, presentar nuestro Zirconia. Nuevo Zirconia dos tipos. Y tres de blanco y para carillas translucidas es muy alto. Y después llegamos a nuestro sorteo. Esperamos. Ok, entonces hoy primero presentar nuestra fresadora. Robin,
Okay.
primero habla.
Today is our product launch. First of all, I want to introduce our brand new milling machine to all over the world. Especially, I think this machine is especially for American customers. Why we introduce this? Because you can save a lot of time, especially you can save a lot of money. Because this machine is 2-in-1. 2-in-1. What is two? In the world now, there are two kinds of milling machine. One is dry milling machine, and the second is wet. Well, the dry is for Zirconia and PMMA and composite resin and wax. But sometimes you have cases for implant bars and glass ceramics and these other kind of products. How to do it? Do you need to buy 2 milling machine? You have to spend a lot of money to buy 2 milling machine? No need. This machine can suit for all the cases, 90% of cases. Okay.
Sí, fresadora puede seco y húmedo juntos. Melado, algunos marcas puede fresar Zirconia y PMMA o desligado. Pero ventaja puede fresar metal, titanio. Puede fresar 90% casos.
Now, why we recommend this milling machine? First, I already introduced it's 2-in-1 milling machine because you can use the dry materials and wet materials. And for the main advantage of our milling machine is the very big spindle. You can take very close inside. The spindle. You can compare the size of our spindle to other brands. We use the very big spindle for this milling machine, and the power is 2.5 kilowatts. And for some for AG and especially this VHF, you can compare the power of the spindle. They only have 0.8 kilowatts, but ours it has 2.5 kilowatts. Maybe some customer ask why we need so powerful spindle. I can explain to you now. Just like you buy a car, if the engine has very high horsepower, you can easily to get 100 kilometers per hour very fast. And you can just run 24 hours with just this workflow is just a piece of cake for this machine. So that's why we choose this very high horsepower, this spindle.
Sí. No, mira, mira, nuestro uso, diferencia con otras mercados. Primero, otras mercados más o menos solo 0.8 GW, pero nuestro uso es muy grande, más o menos 2.8 GW, porque muchos clientes preguntan por qué fresadora puede usar tiempo. Ahora, si uso más alto, ustedes fresadora vivo largo.
For 2.5 kilowatts spindle, you can working for 24 hours, and especially when you mill the, let me have a look, this one. As we all know, the titanium block is very stiff. If the power of your spindle is very low, for example 0.8, can you imagine how many times you can get the final bars? Maybe 8 hours, 10 hours, but for ours, 2.5 kilowatts, you get it just in 2 hours. That's just like that. It's very fast. So we choose the very big industrial this spindle. The second, I think you might be fixed. For every machine, we have to do the calibration, right? The calibration is very important. And you can compare most of the mini machine in the world, especially for European countries, USA, they still use the manual. Use the manual like this. This kind of materials to do the manual calibration. But for our machine, we have 2-in-1. One is manual, another is automatic calibration.
Sí, automático.
Here, how? Maybe you will be a little bit exciting. How we can make this automatic calibration? If you want to know this, you can leave your message, your mobile phone or your WhatsApp up down the box. Then our salesman can contact you and send you the video, the exciting video, how this machine to make the automatic calibration. So also here you can see, come on, we have 20, we have 18, the tool house. For the whole set of the birds, we have 25 birds. These birds can suitable for the cornea, the titanium blocks, and the PMMA and the glass ceramics. And we can send you the whole package, how many pieces of the birds and what's the size of the birds. Just contact our salesman, leave your message, your phone and WhatsApp, okay? And here, if you have some other question, want to know more about this mini machine, just leave your message, okay? 然后要讲嘛，就是讲了它的2个重点。
Y segundo, tenemos automática calibración. Algunos fresadoras necesita manual calibración, pero solo parece y juntos, ahorra tiempo.
Okay. So how this machine can mill 99% of the millable products in the world. First, I can have you look the titanium blocks. Okay, this is the wet milling Second is the zirconia blocks. So maybe you will be a little strange. Why you just show the zirconia? Because for dry milling machine, if the milling machine can mill the zirconia blocks, it can mill any other millable use the dry milling machine. Because for example, the PMMA, wax, and some composite resin, that kind of mill products is just a piece of cake if you can mill the zirconia blocks. And if you can mill the titanium blocks, then of course it's easier for this milling machine to mill the pre-milled abutments and glass ceramics. So here it's no need for me to show you the PMMA and the pre-milled abutments and glass ceramics. Okay.
Entonces necesita inteligente fresadora, elegir nuestro fresadora. Entonces puede fresar metal, tendenio, mina, precisiones. Si interesando, contactarme, enviar mensaje en transmisión en vivos.
Of course, here I can show you the case of the milling machine. We done this case with this machine. This is PMMA. And why I can take it close here? Because this machine is a 2-in-1, and you can see here. You can compare Chinese milling machine with European countries milling machine. It's well sealed. So when you do the wet milling, the water will come out if you close the window. It's well sealed. No water come out. It's well sealed. And we have two lights. Here is the bar lights, and here is another round light. You can see the whole inside of the cable very clearly. And you can see here the welt is very good making. So no dust, no water come out. So you can, after you get this, you can compare with some European milling machine. You can compare the quantity. Seeing is believing. After you get it, you will know what's the difference. So you can see here also high quality.
Mira, uno huevo de aluminio fundido, parece compacto, estable y sin variaciones. Mira, calidad es muy alto.
The whole weight of the milling machine is 158 kilograms. So it's very heavy. We need to come here. How to move the machine? We use this. So there are 4 angles, 4 means to move this machine. And with the machine, we give you this cabinet. The cabinet as a gift together with the machine. You no need to pay extra money. And here is the cooling system machine, just as a gift for you. The cooling system can cool the spindle. And here is the tank. Here's the tank. Here is a drawer you can put the tools and the birds inside. So you will not forget anything, because you can put all the important tools inside of here. For example, you can move. Here, this is the materials you can put inside, and the automatic sensor you can put inside, and the birds inside. Close it, and this cabinet is very stable. And also, you can move. If you want to move this machine and cabinet to other room, you can move it, because here you can adjust. You can see here's the wheel. You can adjust it, so you can move it. Sometimes you can move it yourself.
Mira, nuestro es fresadora, entonces tenemos otras, mira, mesa, que es muy bonito y estable, pero importante regalo para ti si compra fresadora, mesas regalo y definido de agua. Todo lleva acá. Puedes poner algunos casos, parece choose kit y algunos probar disco y automática calibración y otras más o menos PMA y Zirconia, todo puede, es muy limpio.
And another surprise is you can check some part of the mini machine from China or from other companies. The list of the accessory just maybe 2 or 3, but for ours you can check. You can leave your message. What including the accessory? We together with the machine a lot. As I remember, there are 31 accessories. For example, this is just an example. Vsmile, we think what our customer think. After you do some manual calibration, how to measure it? We have this. Vsmile scanner, you can measure it. Maybe this you can buy in your country very expensive, but this just including the accessory, the shipping list, just free, okay? We think all the things. Another thing you will be very surprised. What's this? I think most people have not been seen this kind of tools. We think if you, during the maintenance of your machine, you need this, because this can injection the bottles. If you want to have a see, we can open the machine. You can see everything inside and do the maintenance. As we all know, if you buy a car, the maintenance is very important. If our 5,000 kilometers or 1 year, we have to do the maintenance. The machine also the same. If you maintain the machine good, then the machine can do the good job for you. Okay, we have a lot of accessories together, just free with the machine and the cabinet.
Sí, tenemos muchos kits, todo free, todo y para soporte tenemos 3 soportes, un primer algunos tenemos para húmero, para dislicado, pueden poner 6 dislicados y para premium. Y otras, acá para Zirconia, PMMA, Cera, sí, Aru soporte.
Geo, this is for the holder is very suitable for all kinds of materials, and you can see it's Arum and Geo system, and we have at the same time you can insert 6 pieces of glass ceramic here, 6, and holder here. And for the custom abutment, we can put 3 pieces of these the premium abutments first here. So we totally offer 3 kinds of holders. For it can suitable for most of the materials now. So because as we all know, the live stream, the time is very limited, and if you want to know more about our machine, and if you want to us to show how to, because this is touchable here, it's very touchable, and the screen is very big. If you want to know something inside, we even can open the machine, and now you can leave your message, what you want to know more about the milling machine. For example, what kind of the CAM system software. Okay, we offer mailbox, we offer hyperdental, we offer walking see. These 3 main systems, the milling system in the world. So whatever you want for the CAM system, we can offer to you.
Yes, sí, tenemos puede ofrecer walking see y hybrid y mailbox soft. Todo puede. Entonces, si quieres conocer más información, fresadora, contáctame, ¿está bien? Ok. Entonces, segundo, presentamos nuestro Zirconia. Tenemos 2 tipos.
Let us meet the Oftalus Beauty, our brand new Vsmile Vanilla Multilayer. Why it is a game changer? 3 words: translucency, natural, time saving. Check this out. 53 to 59 translucency for the unbelievable lifelike natural looking restorations. No more chalky zirconia. Best part, built-in multi-layer gradient, 0 staining needed. Color layers and already inside the disc. Save hours, skip all manual coloring steps. Strength, 600 to 800 MPa strength, enough for anterior breeze. And then 1480 to 5000 centigrade fits all standard furnaces. Ideal for veneer crowns, inlays, onlays, 3 units anterior breeze, high-end aesthetic clinics. Well, nature is everything. We've got your every need covered. So, if you want to breathtaking aesthetic without the stunning hustle, Vanilla is your go-to.
Okay, everyone.
Many customers who have used Zirconia veneers often mention a problem which is about adhesion of Zirconia. Firstly, there are three main ways to improve the adhesion of Zirconia. 1. Use a resin comment as you are doing now. 2. Add a layer of glasses ceramic to surface of the cornea to enhance retention. 3. Use sandblasting to roughing the surface and increase friction. As a professional who is always ready to try new innovations, I have to doubt that your leadership will continue to bring your library and patients to the forefront of dental technology.
Alright everyone, let's kick things off with our flexible superstar Vsmile 3D white zirconia disc. What makes it special? It's not your average flat white block. This is a 3D multi-layer disc with built-in internal staining. What does that mean for you? After staining, you get beautiful gradients in strength, translucency, color, and the best part, super easy to control. You just adjust your dyeing time, only usually just 60 seconds. Simple, fast, repeatable. Now let's talk about specs. Same excellent strength, translucency as our hot seller 3D prism. And who is perfect for? Mid-range users, labs, or clinics who want to custom color control. Big savings compared to pre-colored zirconia. And yes, support is fully in place. Free sample plus staining liquid, STL survey, video guides, both for stunning and sintering. Ever feel your white zirconia restorations look white or lifeless? Do you prefer customizing shaded manually? If you nodded yes, this is your solution.
Maybe it's time to have to get sleep.
Sí,
America.
entonces hoy todos parte, todos listo. Muchas gracias nuestro cliente soporte para Vsmile como ustedes tienen Vsmile correcto. Entonces, si tienes otros problemas, enviar a nuestro chat, podemos responder. ¿Está bien? Si tienes que problema, envía mensaje para mí. 结束了，现在是有答疑环节。
Now it's time because I cannot speak Spanish, but we have a lot of staffs. They can speak Spanish. Leave your questions. You leave when you are in the live stream. Our salesman, our staffs can respond to you. Any question about the zirconia blocks? What kind of cases we can use this block? And how many times I have to, when we do the dyeing, how many minutes or how many seconds? Just contact Adam or just contact Tammy. Any salesman can give you the quick response. And another, here, if you want to know more about the mini machine, the function and the weight, how to shipping, and how to ship the machine, and how much it costs for the software, any question about Vsmile, about Vsmile stuff, about Vsmile products, just contact us. And of course, I have to say the happy time is go very fast. So it's time. I think it's time for you to go to bed. So you can leave your questions to our salesperson, or you can email to us. So I have to. The happy time go very fast. So it's time to say goodbye and keep touch, everyone. So last, maybe you can not understand me. You can understand Lucia. Let's Lucia say Spanish to goodbye. Lucia, it's your time to say goodbye in Spanish. Okay.
Chao, chao. Okay, entonces, chao, chao.
Chao, chao. Chao, chao.
Si tienes otras dudas, envía mensaje en WhatsApp, ¿está bien? Ok, gracias a usted de tiempo, gracias. Si tenemos...
We accept these vouchers. A lot of customers can get yours, but the list in our website, our official website. The website is www.vsmileglobal.com. You can get the information if you can get the gift or not. So if you forget this, because I speak so fast, maybe you cannot remember, just contact your salesperson. Okay?
Okay.
See you.
See.